So we are in, where are we at? Clovis? Fresno?
Fresno.
We're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing 50-gallon Bradford White natural gas water heater. We'd been out here previously and replaced a pump for these folks, and we'd done a new valve, and then a brass 90, a check valve, and this new pump right here. So that was existing. We did replace these connectors. Reason being is, I mean, they're only a year or two old, but you know, they're $10 each, and we just figure, you know what, let's make the whole installation new. We did replace the original piping that was here. Was a dielectric union and then some copper up to copper adapters. So we just replaced it with pure brass, which flows great, and then the union is gone. So this is you know, like a rigid connection instead of a union right here. And then of course these all come apart. Falcon stainless steel connectors from each valve, so cold water in, and then we got a valve on the hot side. We do that sometimes if we don't have the house shut off, and we want to make sure we don't get squirted with water from the cold line back feeding through the hot system. So just put a valve on there. It's not mandatory. It's not code. You don't. It's not required. But it's nice. You know, if you come back, you've got a valve for the recirc pump, cold water, hot water, and then of course Falcon stainless steel connectors, brass T, and then down here just an extension, brass extension. So all these all flow really good. Relief valve comes with the unit, and it's piped back down with another connector. We adjusted that a little bit, 90 it straight up, got an adapter on there. Brand new venting system going up into the ceiling. That's your ceiling bucket that's painted. That's yours. Brand new pipe, brand new 45 or adjustable 90, and then of course the draft diverter that came with it. So that's all good up top. We're set back to auto adapt, and they haven't told us that anything's not working with that, so that's good. Upper third we've got an adjustable strap. Lower third we've got an adjustable strap. Here you've got your model number and serial number. If you go to bradfordwhite.com, give them the serial number, and then of course your full name, street address, all that contact information, and you'll get your warranty going on this unit. That's bradfordwhite.com, then click on the register link. Down here we got a brand new gas shutoff valve and a brand new gas connector. Over to the control valve. Right now the burner is lit, water is heating. It's going to be a couple hours before you have hot water. We just put a cap on here. You know, it's not necessary, but you know, we have them on the truck, so we just put them on there in the event that you don't turn this. You know, if you flush it once a year and then you don't get this slot center, because it's just quarter turn on, quarter turn off, then water will drip out of here. So this is just a nice little insurance policy. We do have this gas set to hot. That's approximately 120 degrees. A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. We recommend 120. That's not the CDC. CDC recommends 140 because you could get bacteria growing in the water. The Environmental Protection Agency, because of scald risk, recommends 120. So any problems in the home with hot water at a fixture, specifically a single handle faucet such as a tub valve, shower valve, or a tub shower combination with a single handle, it's got a cartridge in there, problem is more than likely at the faucet itself, not at the water heater. So we do not recommend you coming out here and turning it. We document this to let you in, so that we show we've set it to 120. The indicator's right there. If you turn it up, it says right here, scalding risk increases with hotter water. So that means that infants and elderly can be defined by anybody that has thin skin. Mine's getting a little thin. I'm only 60, but you know, now when I bump something, I bleed pretty quick, as opposed to a young gun with indestructible skin. So anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.